When start.
Hi children. Good evening. Today activity is parts of body. Okay, let's start. Head, eyes, ears, nose, cheek, chin, mouth, neck, shoulders, hands, fingers, elbow, chest, stomach, thighs, knees, leg, feet, ankle, toes.
Thank you, children.
Thank you, children.